Hello students, I am Sonal Pathak from our official YouTube channel, My College Buddy. I hope that you are doing great. So in today's video हम बात करने वाले हैं विश्वकर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी पुणे महाराष्ट्र। अगर हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के एस्टैब्लिशमेंट की बात करें, so this university was established in the year 2017. This university currently offers 40 plus courses, 23 undergraduate programs, 18 postgraduate programs and 2 diploma courses in the field of art, design, pharmacy, management studies and many more. अगर हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के रैंकिंग की बात करें, so this university was featured in the top institutions among 1200 institutions from 98 countries as per the Times Higher Education Global Impact 2021. So अब हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के कोर्सेज, एलिजिबिलिटी एंड ड्यूरेशन की बात कर लेते हैं. So for BA course the duration is for 3 years and the eligibility is 10 plus 2 with 45% marks. अगर हम BSc course की बात करें, so the duration is for 3 years and the eligibility is 10 plus 2 with 45% marks which will be followed by diploma in any relevant stream. चलिए अब हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के एडमिशन प्रोसीजर की बात कर लेते हैं. So for admission procedure, the candidates will be selected on the based score they will be achieving in the entrance exam. And for online application, the official website of the university has been mentioned in the description and it has been shown on the screen as well. अगर हम scholarships की बात करें, so this university provides some concessions to SC, ST and OBC students and also provides loan facility to students. अगर हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के फैकल्टी की बात करें, so the faculty of this university is so much supportive with having good years of experience. अगर हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स की बात करें, so the top leading companies always visit this university. Top recruiters की बात करें, so they are HDFC Bank, IBM and TCS etc. अब हम कुछ frequently asked questions को discuss कर लेते हैं. So the first question is how many times you can apply for the Vishwakarma NET exam? So the answer is as many as times a student wants to apply for this in an academic year. The second question is, does this university provides campus placements? So the answer is yes. This university provides campus placements to students in which top-notch companies participate such as Hindustan Unilever. The third question is how many faculties Vishwakarma University have? So the answer is this university has 8 faculties, namely Faculty of Arts and Design, Faculty of Commerce and Science, Faculty of Law, Faculty of Media and Communication and many more. So I hope that you got all the relevant information about Vishwakarma University, Pune, Maharashtra. So for any query, you can comment in the comment box and you can subscribe to our channel, My College Buddy.